Hey, it's Lon Welsh at Your Castle Real Estate, and a lot of you have been asking me lately about mortgage rates have gone up by more than half a point just in the last 6 or 8 weeks, and it's expected that that trend will continue over the next year or two. Rates were at 50-year lows just about, say, 2 months ago, so we're at 40-year lows right now, which is still extraordinary, but the trend is up a little bit. So what historically happens to the housing market when rates go up? So here's a chart from the Wall Street Journal that'll help you to illustrate that. So the greenish line is the 30-year mortgage rate, and that scale is inverted. So instead of like the higher the line, the higher the rate, it's the exact opposite. As the rates go up, the line goes down. And then the darker line that's on the chart shows you the change in the home sales rate, and that's plotted as you'd normally expect. So the scale's been inverted for the mortgage rates because as the rates go up, the sales volume goes down, and by inverting, the lines will start to move together. And you can see, in fact, they have moved together quite a lot. This chart goes back a couple decades, and every time the rates have gone up, the percentage of home sales growth has slowed down, and as the rates go down, you see more homes get sold. It's supply and demand 101. As a product gets cheaper, you can sell more of it, and when the price of it, or at least the monthly payment of it, goes up, fewer people can afford to buy, or at least they're less enthusiastic about purchasing. So you can see recently that rates have gone up, and interestingly enough, between January and February, nationally, normally you'd expect to see a sales increase during that time period with normal seasonality. We actually saw that the number of homes declined a little tiny bit. I think in that particular case it was due to there not being enough homes available for sale, not because the mortgage rates went up, but it's impossible to know. But I do expect that you'll probably see that the number of homes sold this year overall in the economy as well as in the Denver market might be just a little bit less than what we sold last year, and that might be attributable to either the decline in the number of homes for sale or the increase of interest rates that we're in right now. So if you are thinking of selling, this would be a great time to take advantage of the market before the rates go up further and while the low inventory is definitely in your favor as a seller.